Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I have good reason and I'll probably be sharing all of that with you in my community board on here on YouTube. You guys, I did miss you and I'm glad to have you back into my life once again, and you've been there the entire time and I really appreciate that. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how I threw myself an epic Halloween costume birthday bash. Oh, yeah. And you guys, I didn't have to go out and buy any decoration because I already own it all. Now, I did not want to have a party this year, but by popular demand, everyone keep asking for another Halloween party. So I did not disappoint them, and I made sure this one was epic of them all. So I pulled out all of my old decor and my mannequins to see what needs to be put together, to see what I have, to see if I need to buy anything. I also hired a team, Higher Ground Entertainment by Melba, and I also incorporated a little help from family and friends to help put everything together and to get everything up in a timely manner. Higher Ground Entertainment came out and they did all of the draping for me. Usually I do my own draping, but there's no way I can do this massive amount of draping. One, I don't own the equipment, I don't own the poles, and I don't own the fabric to make such a huge impact as I was needing. Higher Ground also did all of my lighting for the party and assisted with hanging some of the decor on. To show you is how much draping it took to block off my yard to make the perfect party setting. I was going for like a nightclub feel, and that's exactly what they gave me. The the patio will be like the dance floor, the entertainment floor, and over in the corner will be where the DJ booth will be. I also hired a psychic this year to give real and true tarot card readings to my guests, as well as some entertainment. Also, for the inside, I incorporated some family members to help me out. So, thank you so much, Justice, for helping to hang all of the spooky cloths on the ceiling, and Michael for hanging all of the spider webs on the ceiling, and Yolanda for everything that you did. You were the best. And my group helped take it down and put it together. I felt so spoiled this year. Thanks so much. Isn't that spooky? I do love a spooky Halloween. Next, I made sure that I had great detailed invitations that will wow them over. And let's go right into this party, you guys. So this is what it looked like when we walked in, and I'll just let you marinate into this and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks so much for tuning in with me. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Like I'm not no grown man. I don't know, man. You gotta go to Dollar Tree.
bartender, can you refill my glass? Somehow I feel like this drink ain't gonna be as good as my last. I'm feeling good right now, bartender, can you refill my glass? Somehow I feel like this drink ain't gonna be as good as my last. I'm feeling good right now, bartender, can you refill my glass? Somehow I feel like this drink ain't gonna be as good as my last. Matter of fact, bring me that whole bottle, you can put it all on my tab. I'm so fucked up, can't drive, I'm gonna need you to call me a cab. Bartender, can you
Power.